In this guide, I'll show you how to play Minecraft Mobile with a PS5 controller on iPhone or iPad. So the first thing you want to do is head on over to settings and you want to select the Bluetooth option at the top. Now you want to ensure Bluetooth is toggled on, and here's where you'll see devices you've connected previously and other devices. Now what you want to do is press and hold the PlayStation button and the share button on your PS5 controller until the lights on the front start flashing, indicating it's in pairing mode. Now, once this happens, what you want to do is have a look at your iPhone or iPad, and you should see DualSense wireless controller under other devices. So go ahead and select this. You may get a pop up asking you if you want to pair it, but you'll see we're now connected, and the color on the controller has changed to orange, indicating it's paired. So at this point, you can open up Minecraft, and once you get to the home menu, simply press play, and then you want to select the world you want to play on. And once you're in game, test out your PS5 controller to ensure it's working. And if you head on over to settings, you can also customize the button layout on your controller for the game. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.